If your project status lives in messy Excel files, long email threads, or scattered slides, tracking progress can quickly become overwhelming. If you manage multiple projects and need instant visibility into progress, this Power BI dashboard is designed for you, helping you make faster, smarter project decisions from a single, clear view. By default, this overview page provides a high-level summary of all projects, giving you instant visibility across the entire portfolio. The key project metrics at the top provide a quick snapshot of overall progress and high-level financials. The visuals below provide deeper insights into project health, as well as project and task status. You can also quickly view resource workload, risk status, and cost variance across all projects at the portfolio level. At the top, you can use the Project Slicer to focus on a specific project. You can also filter by year to review performance for a specific reporting period. The entire page updates automatically, including KPIs and charts. And with the Reset button, you can instantly clear all filters and return to the full portfolio view. The page navigation panel on the left lets you move easily between different report pages. This dashboard includes 4 pages: the overview you're seeing now, along with timeline, project details, and risk views. In this video, I'm focusing only on the overview page. Dedicated walkthroughs for the remaining pages will be shared in the coming weeks. This dashboard is built for project managers, PMO, and business teams who need clear insights for multiple projects without spending time building reports from scratch. This is an instant digital download. The template includes the Power BI file, sample data, and a quick start guide, allowing you to quickly replace it with your own and start analyzing. The dashboard is fully editable and customizable. Get the dashboard template using the link in the description. Subscribe for more Power BI dashboard walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.